Hi Gemini, welcome back to Ivy Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you, please consider supporting the channel by clicking subscribe, hit the notification bell, as well as let me know in the comment section on how the message resonates with you. By doing so, you will also be eligible for monthly giveaway reading, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month. If this message doesn't resonate with you, Gemini, please consider checking your moon, your rising, or your Venus sign, as this is going to be a general collective energy reading. It may or may not resonate with every single Gemini out there. I will also put the link in the description box of Gemini July monthly reading. You may check that as well. You can also now follow me on Facebook and Instagram. All the links are also in the description box. Alright, so without further ado, let's get into your reading. The first card that I've got for you here, Gemini, is the Ten of Cups, followed by Two of Wands and the Knight of Swords here. The overall energy that I've got for you here is the King of Wands. So you could be dealing with another air sign, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. If not, you could also be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So what I'm getting here, Gemini, I do feel like this person have been on your mind for quite a while here. I do feel like the energy that I'm getting here for the month of July here is that your person wants to come towards you quickly, but at the same time they're also feeling stuck, or they're kind of feeling like indecisive, or basically they're kind of feeling unable to move on here. I do feel like with this Two of Wands energy, it's just that, as you can see here, the Wands is being stuck into the wall and they have all the resources here. So I do feel like your person seems to have all the resources, or waiting to have all these resources here then to come towards you, because energetically I do feel like they want to just come towards you as quick or as fast as they can here with this Knight of Swords. Because I do feel like with this Ten of Cups energy, I do feel like your person might have been dreaming about you, or you could also be dreaming about your person here. I do feel like for those I do feel like this reading could be specifically for those who are currently in separation with their person at this point of time, because I'm definitely sensing like lots of new journey or new beginning coming up towards the two of you here. With this Ten of Cups energy, I'm also sensing like again a dreaming. Like I do feel like your person might have been dreaming a lot about you here. They could be dreaming of having family with you. Basically, I'm seeing dreams and surrounding with kids. That kind of energy I'm getting quite strongly here, Gemini. I do feel like the reason for them to not come towards you here, or the reason why they might not be open to come towards you here with this Knight of Wands energy, I do feel like this could be an ego problem. So again, I've got two Knights energy coming up here. So one wants to come towards you, but another is being holding up by the ego. And that kind of energy I'm getting strongly here as well. And I do feel like there is, apart from the ego issue here, that could be a family issue or family problem here. Again, I'm not seeing a significant third party situation, but there could be like toxic family members, or like some kind of a toxic friends could actually be stopping them from coming towards you here as well, Gemini. I do feel like they want to come towards you here with this Fool card, and this Fool card is also an indication towards me a new journey is going to be there between you and your person. That could be a fight either recently or in the past within the two of you here. If not, this Five of Wands energy could be a representation that you might have been having this conflict within yourself. Again, I do feel like I'm getting lots of mirroring energy here. The bottom of the deck that I've got for you here is the Four of Cups. So lots of overthinking coming up strongly here, Gemini, between you and your person. I'm definitely sensing like restlessness, feeling anxiety, trouble sleeping, over worrying, that kind of energy coming up here strongly as well. I've got the Emperor card coming up here, so you could be dealing with an Aries or someone with a strong Aries in their chart. If not, this is basically an indication towards me that your person could be a family figure, like a father figure as well. So again, like your person could be having a family of their own, or there could be some kind of family issue like a child support issue or child custody issue. That kind of thing also coming up strongly here as well. I've got the Eight of Wands coming up for you here. So I do feel like at this point of time, for those of you who are not in communication here, the month of July, the communication is going to pick up quite soon, and I do feel like going to hear a lot of things coming up here from your person. And when you do, please be mindful of this Five of Wands energy. Try to not come from the place of ego, because I'm also getting quite ego strongly here as well, Gemini. So When your person reaches out towards you in the month of July, try to come from the place of being patient and just basically like try to hear them out. Do not try to feed their ego, or do not try to be nagging, or do not try to be, like pushing them to a point where they're kind of like, okay, I'm just not going to talk again. And that kind of energy coming up here strongly as well. I've got the Lovers card and the Three of Pentacles coming up here. So there's definitely a soul connection between the two of you. This is like a divine counterpart coming up here. And with this Eight of Wands and the Lovers card coming up here, Gemini, I do feel like for the two of you here, the communication is definitely going to pick up quite soon. I do feel like for those of you who have never met, who hasn't met this person in a quite few months here, they're going to meet them, as well as the communication is going to pick up here. I do feel like all of this is going to happen out of nowhere, like some kind of unexpected or sudden energy is coming up strongly here as well, Gemini. I do feel like for some of you here, your person could be actually focusing on building up their career, on building up their finances. Again, I'm getting some kind of a family issue which could actually relate to the financial issue here. Some of you, they could have their family of their own, so they need to provide for their children, child support or child custody issue. If not, that could be having some kind of a family members with them, toxic family members, or even just family members that they need to take care of financially here. So I do feel like the main concern in your person here is just like building up their career, working out here, and have the financial stability, or having this financial need being fulfilled here with this Six of Pentacles energy. And I do feel like once they've settled down the financial issue here, I do feel like this is when they're going to come towards you, or at least they're going to open up the communication and be more honest and be more open towards you here, Gemini. I've got two aces coming up for you here, Ace of Swords and the Ace of Cups coming up. So this person definitely has a lot of emotion towards you here with this Ace of Cups energy to the Ten of Cups energy. So you can see that how much love that they have for you here. So even though at this point of time things might just not be so prominent here, I do feel like in the month of July you will see a significant jump. Like you will definitely see a significant jump from the Ace to the Ten of Cups here. So you will definitely see lots of happiness coming up here, lots of wish being fulfilled, basically lots of, yeah, like this Ten of Cups is basically already a good omen coming up here, Gemini. So things are definitely going to go in your favor as well. And with this Ace of Swords coming up in the bottom of the deck here, I'm also getting that communication will be picking up here as well. You're going to get the honesty or the clarity that you needed. So all of this time that your person is kind of like having no communication with you here, I do feel like they're currently going through a lots of financial struggle or lots of family issue here that is basically like stopping them to come towards you as soon as they could. So with this, communication is going to pick up in the month of July here. I do feel like going to know what are the things that's been going on behind the door here. That kind of energy I'm getting strongly as well, Gemini. I've got the High Priestess coming up at the bottom of the deck. So I do feel like you are such a highly intuitive person. Listen more to your gut feeling, honor your intuition here. I do feel like for some of you, all of these things you might have already known this, like you kind of have this inner knowing, or you kind of have this gut feeling that okay, your person is currently going through something, that kind of energy here. So listen more to your gut feeling, trust your intuition. I do feel like your intuition is definitely going to lead you into the right way as well. Alright, so that's it for your July 2020 reading. I hope the reading resonates. If it does, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, as well as let me know in the comment section on how the message resonates with you. I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.